Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and now you're watching DB production PARBATJHORA. So if you like to watch my video, let's get started. So today's video is I will try to sing in English. Okay, it's my first time ever which I'm finally going to sing on social media. So don't make fun. Okay, I'll just trying my level best. So let's see. So my apology if I do any mistake on pronunciation and lyrics. Okay, now let's get started. Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. Drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, tell your friends was too nice to meet them, but I hope I'll never see them again. I know you break your heart, moved to the city in a broke down car, and 4 years no call. Now looking pretty in a hotel bar. No, I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can afford. Buy the tattoo on your shoulder, put the street side of the corner of the mattress that you stole from your room and back in Boulder. We are never getting older. So guys, how was the song? Is it nice? Sometimes when I stay alone, I sing. There is nobody who can train me properly. How to shake this throat. Some you know kind of training a level I required. Means I need it actually. I just naturally sing wherever I listen to this song. I just try to copy them. I'm not a good singer. I want to be a singer, but what to do, there are lots of pressure for family, and that's why I still couldn't be a singer. Let's see the next song. The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at a table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up the conversation and trust me and giving chance now to my hands. Stop and a man in a jukebox and me and me start to dance. Come and sing it like girl, I know you want you love. You love was and not for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me, say boy. Let's not talk too much. Grab on my wrist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Oh I, oh I, oh I, oh I. I'm in love with your body. Hey guys, thank you so much. I'm really tired. Thank you so much for being end of this video, and keep supporting me. I'll try. I'll keep trying to put some new videos with unique content. So stay happy and always keep smiling. Bye bye.